Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert text to number in Excel. So let's get started the video. Click on the cell marked with the green corner and then click on the alert symbol that appears on the left. From the menu, choose Convert to Number. That's it, the value in the cell has been instantly recognized as number. If you want to apply this to multiple cells, then select the cells, click on the error alert and click on Convert to Number from the menu. This will convert all the values from text to number. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.